In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, it's no surprise that industrialists are pushing boundaries to bring their best products to the market. So today, let's talk about cars. While Ford is launching one supercar after another, Ram is about to launch its super-duper mega new Dakota, set to hit the roads in late 2023. It's about to challenge the Ford Maverick head-on, with its incredible features, making it the ultimate compact pickup truck. Want to know more? Let's dive into the exciting details of the Ram Dakota in this video. Ram has been teasing us with the possibility of a new mid-size pickup truck, the Dakota, for quite some time now. Although the company has made statements committing to Dakota's return, not much has been said since FCA-PSA merger that formed Stellantis. Before the merger, Ram's chief, Mike Koval Jr., told Motor Trend that the mid-size segment was the biggest opportunity for the Ram brand, and it seems Stellantis has taken note. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, the world has experienced many negative impacts, including the elimination of in-person interactions with car salespersons and the death of the affordable used car market. It has also caused gas prices to soar, shifting consumer preferences towards more fuel-efficient options, like mid-size pickup trucks. So, what exciting features are there in Dakota? Want to know what Ram Dakota has finally introduced? These would leave you on the edge of your seat. Come on, buckle up and keep on watching this exciting video till the end. This is gonna be a blast. And yes, what are you waiting for? Do make sure to subscribe to the channel for amazing content like this. Moving on, while before the pandemic, mid-sized trucks had lost the popularity contest against heavier and bulkier full-size rivals like sport utility vehicles and heavy-duty pickups. Things are now changing fast, and the mid-size segment is becoming lucrative again. Stellantis has seen the strong sales success of their domestic rivals, including the Chevrolet Colorado, GMC Canyon, and Ford Ranger. As a result, they want to jump back into the mid-size pickup truck segment. However, we are left wondering what form a new Dakota will take, as Stellantis has remained tight-lipped about its design and features. Nevertheless, the possibility of a new mid-size pickup truck from Ram is exciting news for fans of the brand and truck enthusiasts alike. Specs: engine, transmission, towing, and payload. The highly anticipated 2024 Ram Dakota is set to make waves in the mid-size truck market with its impressive engine, transmission, towing, and payload specs. While it may share some components with the Ram 1500, experts suggest that the Dakota will mostly be based on the Jeep Gladiator, another highly regarded Stellantis model. Under the hood, the 2024 Ram Dakota is expected to come with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, similar to other popular Stellantis options. In addition, this powerhouse will likely be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. However, for those seeking even more power, Stellantis may offer a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine that could generate an impressive 260 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. Regarding the drivetrain, buyers of the Dakota can choose between a rear-wheel drive or a 4-wheel drive system for better traction. Additionally, an off-road focused Dakota model, such as a Rebel trim, may also be available, complete with beefy all-terrain tires, underbody skid plates, and an off-road tuned suspension. Towing and payload capacity is also essential consideration for any mid-sized truck, and the Ram Dakota does not disappoint. If we go by the Jeep Gladiator's specs, the Dakota could tow up to 7,650 pounds, with a payload capacity of 1,600. Of course, these figures may change once the official specs are released, but it's safe to assume they will be in the same ballpark as the Gladiator. Platform and powertrain. With two potential platform options, there's a lot to get excited about. First, if the Dakota shares its bones with the Jeep Gladiator, it could offer some serious competition to its crosstown rivals. Alternatively, if it's based on a downsized Ram 1500 platform, then we may see a class-exclusive V8 engine, which would be a real nod to more power fans. But that's not all. There's also a chance that the Dakota could be reborn as a lifestyle pickup, similar to the recently released 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Stellantis already sells such a pickup in Central and South America, where it goes by the name Fiat Toro in Brazil, and the Ram 1000 in other Latin American countries. If the new Dakota follows this trend, then we could see some exciting new features and design elements that are tailored to the needs and preferences of today's truck buyers. No matter which direction Stellantis decides to take with the new Ram Dakota, one thing is clear: they're committed to offering a truck that's versatile, capable, and designed to meet the needs of a wide range of customers. With Ford dominating the mid-sized truck market, it's clear that there's room for competition. and the new Dakota may just be the truck to give Ford a run for its money. Off-road features. Moreover, the 2024 Ram Dakota midsize pickup truck is set to give the upcoming Ford Maverick a run for its money with its impressive off-road capabilities. While some have expressed concern that the Dakota may be reimagined as a lifestyle pickup, it's unlikely that consumers would want to sacrifice functionality for style, especially with rising gas prices. The Rebel trim, which is already available on the Ram 1500, is expected to be offered on the Dakota, providing superior off-road features, such as 33-inch all-terrain tires, a locking rear axle, and a sports performance hood. Additionally, the Dakota may come equipped with a 360-degree trailer surround view camera and advanced safety features, making it a top choice for adventurous drivers who require both style and functionality in their vehicles. Interior and exterior design. As the competition in the mid-size pickup truck segment continues to heat up, the 2024 Ram Dakota is poised to challenge the recently announced Ford Maverick. While the Maverick is touted for its affordable price tag and fuel efficiency, the Ram Dakota is expected to offer a superior interior and exterior design. In terms of interior features, the 2024 Ram Dakota is predicted to outclass the Ford Maverick. The Dakota is likely to have a more spacious and luxurious cabin, with a layout similar to the Ram 1500. Passengers can expect to enjoy ample legroom and a range of adjustable seats for maximum comfort during long drives. Additionally, the Dakota is expected to feature a 12-inch touchscreen, sunroof, digital instrument cluster, air filtration system, and head-up display for added convenience and safety. While the Maverick may be more affordable, the Ram Dakota's interior features are expected to make it a more appealing choice for those who prioritize comfort and luxury. In addition, Dakota's superior cabin design is likely to be a key selling point for those who spend a lot of time in their vehicles. In terms of exterior design, the 2024 Ram Dakota is expected to feature a unique look that sets it apart from the Ford Maverick. While the Maverick's design is more utilitarian and rugged, the Dakota is predicted to feature elements from the Ram 700 sold in Mexico and the Fiat Strada, with a grille and front headlights resembling those of the Ram 1500. In addition, Dakota's doors and fenders are also expected to be distinct from its competitors. Price, release dates, etc. So who is not excited about the return of the 2024 Ram Dakota? We certainly are, and we're not alone. The mid-size pickup truck market has been steadily growing, and with the Ram Dakota's return, consumers can expect a quality, competitively priced truck with plenty of features. When will the 2024 Ram Dakota be released? According to industry experts, the truck is expected to hit the roads in late 2023, giving consumers plenty of time to prepare. And speaking of preparation, what about the price? While Stellantis and Ram have not yet released pricing and trim information, industry insiders predict that the new Dakota will have to be price competitive with the Chevy Colorado and Ford Ranger, which both start at around $26,000. Higher trims are expected to go over $32,000, but even with these higher prices, the Dakota will remain affordable for consumers. The return of the Ram Dakota is also great news for those who appreciate nostalgia. The mid-sized truck market has been experiencing a resurgence lately, and consumers seem to be rediscovering the unique benefits of these smaller pickups. The Dakota was discontinued in 2011, but with the pickup truck market expanding, Ram realized that bringing back this classic model could help them reach new audiences with minimal marketing efforts. Plus, who doesn't love a good throwback? So the return of the 2024 Ram Dakota is something to be excited about. With its competitive price, off-road capabilities, and modern features, the mid-size pickup truck promises to stand out in its class. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the original Dakota or a newcomer to the mid-size truck market, the Ram Dakota is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Comment your views about the Ram's Dakota, and make sure to subscribe for more.